Hi guys! So it's time for my August favorites, and yes, I got a new look. What do you think? Okay, so to put you in a good mood, I'm starting with my favorite song, which is amazing, by the way. This is Butterfly from Nevertheless. It's part of the Nevertheless soundtrack, which is the K-drama. Even if you don't watch the K-drama, the song is amazing. It's addictive. Actually, all the music on the soundtrack is lovely, but this one I really like. Like it's like the minute that starts, I'm like, So yeah, favorite song. Up next, we have my fashion favorites, my earrings. Okay, so I've been wearing these earrings for a few months now, and I really love them. They are from High Street, Korea. Kya karu guys? Sab cheeze Korean ho gayi hai. Ab deal with it. I really love like the link design, the rose gold shade. They go with everything. They're really light because I have massive ear holes. You guys know that, so I can't do like heavy earrings. So they're perfect for like every day. But if you want like a bit of a dangle and not a stud. So yeah, I've been wearing these a lot lately. A lot of you keep asking me also on my Instagram, in my vlogs, where they're from. Well, they're from High Street, Korea, and I love them. Okay, then we have my favorite moment. Okay, so there are two actually. One is my personal moment, and one is a moment that I really felt like, which will go down in history for a lot of us as a once in a lifetime. Number one is Neeraj Chopra winning the gold for javelin throw in a track and field event at the Olympics. Man, what a moment that was. I mean, as someone that was into athletics, I was mainly like a track and field athlete through my school life and half of my college life as well, which is how I kind of started running marathons later because I had always been a runner in my life. And as a kid, we all had this dream, like any athlete, no matter how big or small you are. I wasn't like obviously India level or any of those things at all, but like you aspire to someday see not just yourself, but someone from your country, at that level at the Olympics. And I'm someone who, I don't know if you guys follow me on Instagram, but if you do, you must have seen that I was really excited about the Olympics. I always am. I love the Olympics. I love to watch different sports. I've always been into sport my whole life, but like for me, track and field is something I thoroughly enjoy because that's something I used to do. And it was almost unbelievable for me when he won, and I had tears when I watched his medal ceremony. And I don't know, I just felt like sports brings people together, and track and field is such an individual event that people don't really know how hard it is. You put your blood, sweat, and tears into it for years and years and years, and for someone to win an Olympic gold is like next level of like, I mean, it's like you can like die in peace now because you've done everything. Like that's how it is in terms of if you want to take boxes. So for me to see that, to witness that moment, even though I wasn't there live or anything, it just shook me to my core, and I felt so amazing and emotional to see that. So that was definitely my favorite moment, number one. Number two is very bland, not emo, it's just superficial compared to that one. It's get my hair done. So the minute I came home and I was like posing around with my new hair and like, just walking around, it gave me so much joy. Like for me, I love experimenting with my hair and playing around with my hair. And as I've said 200 times, I don't like anything here on my hair. So the feeling was just like, so yeah, that was the not so exciting second favorite moment. Then we have a shampoo that I've really been loving lately. This smells divine, guys. Like I can't tell you how good this smells. I'm just going to open it to smell it. So this is the Camellia flower smell, I'm guessing. It is from Jeju Island, Jeju Camellia oil. Again, K-drama reference, again Korean, sorry but not sorry. It is so good. So let me tell you the backstory of how I tried this. I really wouldn't have bought an Innisfree shampoo. It's not something I was looking for or knew about or any of that. But you know when you get those random samples when you order online and they give you those trying samples. So I got a sample of this like a while ago during the sales of one of those purchases, and it was lying around and I never really thought about it. And my usual herbal essences shampoo had ended, and I said, okay, let me just use this till I get more shampoo. Otherwise, I don't really try a lot of things. Like I stick to what works, 2-3 shampoos, and keep rotating and things like that. And I just tried it once and the smell just got me. Like it smells divine. And then I ordered the bottle and I've been using this for a few weeks now. Oh my god, it is like it's really good in terms of like damage control. With the like dry hair, it works really well. It's much softer. Even my stylist Rohit said, oh, your hair is really soft yesterday when I went. So it's definitely doing wonders there. But that I feel when you try a new shampoo, it obviously happens in the first few weeks always, which is why I keep changing my shampoos every few weeks because I wash my hair every day. So yeah, too much information about my hair routine, but this is really good. It's also around the same price, I think, as the Herbal Essences one, so it wasn't like more or less for me. But I'm definitely going to be like rotating between them because I love this. Up next, we have this guy, my Citronella oil from Kama. So I bought this with you guys on my vlog. I don't know if you remember, but yeah, I bought it with you guys for the second time. But I have actually always had Citronella oil I have a lot of essential oils for my diffuser because I like the smell of essential oils. But Citronella is great with mosquitoes and machars. So I kind of started using it every night now since I had malaria, because I was really scared of getting like a relapse and all of that, and there were lots of machars in like the area. So I thought I should use this, and it's been fab. Like I have not been like bitten madly or anything. Just a few drops of this in my diffuser and I use it every night. It's really been good. Of course, you can use any Citronella oil. It doesn't specifically need to be Kama, but I like the Kama one. I think if you get one that's not so potent, like the smell fades off really quickly, which I don't like. Like I like the room to smell of it for hours and hours. And this one really does that, and it's really good. So if you have a matcha problem or if you just want to like the room to smell good, get this. Okay, time for my favorite movie. It is a very unusual movie. You will not like think of this movie, or I would have never watched it. I was at home on the weekend and Weber was like, have you watched this movie? And I was like, no. And he was like, let's watch it. I've watched it. I was like, why would you want to watch it again if you just watched it? And he's like, it's really good and you will not expect it. And man, what a movie. Okay, I feel like it's so underrated. It's so unfortunate that more people didn't talk about this movie because it's so well done. I don't want to give out a lot of information, but it is like, I mean, it's about a plane being hijacked. I don't want to ruin the rest for you because if I tell you what it is, you'll be like, you'll see it coming, and I don't want that. But just watch this movie, guys. Trust me, watch it. It's fab. Okay, moving on. Next up, we have my Bougainvillea plant, which is really big and really heavy now. So I'm going to put it down now that you have seen it. Ooh, wow, that is big. I didn't realize. So you guys again saw me planting this. Like I got it as a little sapling and I planted it into my bigger pot and whatever during the vlog. And now it's actually got like beautiful like pink and orangey and reddy flowers on it. I had to look at the colors to describe them because it's so visual with the Bougainvillea plant. You just look at it and you're like, oh, wow. And I love like bougainvilleas like as a flower. I love it like hanging, you know, across like, because they're creepers and they just grow crazily and you see so many flowers, and I love that about them. Can't wait for that phase where they're like all over our balcony. But yeah, to see flowers on a plant that you plant is like, you know, like my baby is growing and there are fruits coming out. Like it feels so good. So this is definitely my favorite plant right now. And also I guess like, you know, like just to see any plant obviously, but I just love the way bougainvilleas look like when they grow, and to see that there are flowers on it was just really exciting for me. But you may not be as excited, but be excited for me. Okay, time for my favorite shows. First up, nevertheless, a K-drama that is very different to other K-dramas. I've said this before. There's sex, there's masala. It's complicated. Like, that's the kind of vibe, and I like that because that's different to regular K-dramas. Definitely would recommend watching it. You might not like the end, or you might like it. I don't know, but watch it. Then we have Cocaine Cowboys, about the whole drug cocaine space in Miami many years ago. And it's like the not a docudrama, but like a docu about these two guys and their story and whatever. Again, very interesting. If you've watched stuff about Pablo and all, you'd really like this. It's the same space, same vibe. I really enjoyed it. New season of Grace and Frankie. There are only 4 episodes so far. I hope there are going to be more because that's all I've seen at this point. But really love the show. You guys know I love it. I think it's on season 7 now, which is crazy because it's just such a light-hearted, fun show. And their chemistry is amazing, the two of them together. So yeah, definitely check that out if you haven't. Hospital Playlist Season 2. Okay, the show is just getting better and better and better. Normally with season 2s, the kind of quality tends to drop. With this one, I think it's just going up. It is fab. If you haven't watched 1, watch 1, then watch 2. If you've watched 1, definitely watch 2. There's no question about it. Then we have the Real Housewives of Beverly Hills Season 3, I think. The new season is on new. It's like from 2014 or something, but it's just come on to Netflix because they had stopped at like 2 seasons, which I had watched when I was sick earlier. Oh my god, it is just masala. It is like fully staged in parts, I'm sure. But these women and their fights and it's like sometimes it's Big Boss on steroids, if you know what I mean. If you're looking for a masaledar TP watch, it is amazing. Up next on Hotstar, we have the White Lotus, which is amazing. One of the best shows of the year, I'm going to say. They've already renewed for season 2. Season 1 was fantastic. You must watch it. The end is also fab. I'm pretty sure you won't get it. Like, I didn't get it. And yeah, just such a great show. I think it's so current, as I said earlier, and just so engaging, and you're so gripped that you won't stop watching it. I loved it. Definitely check it out. Then we have 7 Days in Hell, which is again a really short thing, about 45 minutes or so. But Weber put me onto this. It is hilarious. You will not stop laughing. For those 45 minutes, you're just it's that funny. And that was the worst laugh ever. But I mean you'd actually be laughing and not going like having an electric shock like I was. But yeah, definitely check it out. Then on HBO Max, we have the Gossip Girl Reboot, which is amazing. Again, very current, very Gen Z, but it's fun. As I said earlier, don't compare it to the earlier Gossip Girl. Watch it as a separate show. It's good. On Amazon Prime, Modern Love Season 2 is out. It is just so lovely. It's like short stories, so short love stories with different actors, really big actors in each episode. I love the one with Apna, what's his name, Kit Harington, Jon Snow. That is my favorite. He's just this is the Jon Snow you want in your life. Just saying, if you like Jon Snow and you watch this, you'll be like, oh my god, yeah. So yeah, it's just a beautiful show with lovely little love stories and really melts your heart, makes you cry, and just very emo. It's beautiful. Watch it. Okay, Viki, still watching Penthouse Season 3. Again, as I've always said, it's masala. It's not meant to be taken seriously. Everybody kills everybody. Everybody sleeps with everybody. It's fun masala. It's one of those K-dramas that just is amazing and you have to watch it. So watch it. Then we have My Roommate Is A Gumiho, which is, again, I finished the whole show. Loved it. It's just such a sweet fantasy story. If you're into the whole fantasy genre, you will like it. If you like Guardian or Goblin, you will like this. So guys, those are my August favorites. You guys know the drill. Comment below with your August favorite shows, food, beauty, anything. And I will see you guys soon. Bye!